In this video, we're going to learn how to insert control points into a control point curve, and then how to loft with multiple curves as profiles. So I had offsetted this curved line here inward to create another line, and then I also inserted a few control point curves. I'm just going to demonstrate how we insert another curve like that. So right here, we can click on left click on control point curve, and then with your endpoint snap on, we can snap to the inside curve line, and then right click to finish the command. So right now we created a curve that only has two control points. So if we click on it and use the gumball, you double click on the blue axis to move it, it's going to move the whole line. So what we want to do is to type in insert and then choose insert control point, and then enter, and then you would choose the curve you want to work with, and then you can decide where you want the points to be. So we can insert a point here and a point there, and then right click to finish the command. So now when you click on this curve, you see how you got 4 control points now. So we can edit these points. So say if you choose a particular point by pressing down F10, it turns on all the control points, and then you can right click. Now we are able to move this particular control point up. Let's just type in 1.5, and now we just move that control point up by 1.5. So with 4 different profiles, let's just see what happens if we loft them. So loft, let's type in loft. And then we select these curves holding down the shift key so we can select multiple curves. And right click. Say OK. So it becomes this really complicated surface right here. So let's delete it. And then we're going to work with patch instead. We use patch over here. So let's just see what happens with patch. So we'll select these profiles. And then we also want the surface that we generated to kind of follow this inner curve line. So holding the shift key down, we can select all the profiles in the inner curve line and right click. So 20 and 20 look good for the U and V spans, and then I just click on OK. So now it's a pretty free-form and organic looking terrain. So it looks quite different from this one we created, because this one we basically did a planar surf or patch that looks like a planar surface, and then we control where we're going to move the control points up. So this is a different way of generating organic landform. All right, so I will see you in the next video where we're going to be talking about sweeping along rails.